Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone, my name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa.
And today I'm taking it straight to the northern part of Ghana, and we're actually going to be frying some Wagashi cheese. Now, Wagashi is actually Ghana's only cheese, which was introduced by the Fulanese. They introduced it to Ghana, to Benin, as well as Nigeria, and it's one of my favorite dishes to have. What I do like about this cheese is how it's made. It's actually made from the sodom apples plant's bark that is actually pounded into a pulp. And the pulp is actually mixed with the milk. It's then boiled and one actually then makes the cheese out of it. That's how easy it is, as 1, 2, 3. I've not even tried it, so I can't even see why I'm even saying it's easy. But I do like this cheese, and that's what I'm actually going to be using for my recipe today. You will notice how husky my voice is. It's just because I'm riddled with some bad cold. But yet again, I'm still working. I'm still doing my voiceover, so bear with me. So anyway, once you've actually sliced your cheese into your preferred pieces, as you can see here, place your preferred oil in a saucepan and place on a medium heat so your oil is hot. That should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then gently add your cheese and fry this for about 7 minutes or until it's golden. It's just beautiful. This is how simple this recipe is, and it's like, I remember during my childhood, you don't actually get it often, because it's actually quite specific to an area in Accra, so you have to know to go and get it. And if you're some Dada Baby, then I don't think you were even exposed to this. This is not be like Dada Badeshu. This is for yes, yeah. You know what I mean? And there's a reason why I've actually said this Dada Big conversation, because I had this conversation at a masterclass with a very good friend, and she definitely would know when she actually watches it that I'm talking about her. So yes, this recipe is for you, sweets. Yes, you know yourself. So this is the Wagashi. Anyway, so after 7 minutes, you'd actually have your Wagashi, which is browned and just perfect. Remove your Wagashi and place it in a colander, and that would actually get rid of any excess oil. Serve it immediately, because it's really nice when it's actually hot, because it's like soft in the middle and it's fluffy. It's almost like it's gonna melt in your mouth when you bite into it, and you get that slight saltiness that comes through. And the texture is just beautiful. Have I actually described this cheese really well to you? I think I have, haven't I? You see, my trip to Ghana was rather exciting, especially when I went to the market, because when I saw the fresh salad leaves and all the vegetables, I had to grab it. And one peculiar thing I found was with the cucumber, they were almost like Snow White. And it was just beautiful. So of course, once my Wagashi was ready, I actually had my Ghanaian salad leaves, my cucumber, added a little bit of my chipotle chilies, drizzled a little bit of honey, and then added my Wagashi bikra. I was just like on cloud nine. I enjoyed that. I just ate it straight up. Mom was like, "What are you eating?" When I told her, she joined me. We just ate to heart content. And the conversation ended up being about Mom's fashion sense right through her childhood. And I had some old pictures that we're talking about. I think I should actually do another video about that. That would be so good. I hope you have enjoyed this episode with my husky voice. I'll leave the transcript of the recipe, including a list of ingredients and measurements, on my blog in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. And I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa. Now, until next time, you do take very good care of yourself. Be you, be nice, be beautiful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? And if you do like the video, don't forget to like it as well. Until next time, take care of you, and I love you.